Holy cow. Just in case you haven't gotten enough of the rain, there's some more of it. It's been pummeling up here for the last 2 hours. I don't know if you can see the water level, the dock, if you've noticed in my other videos, that it is definitely raised up about 1.5 to 2 feet, I want to say, since 2 days ago. So nothing but rain. The poor dogs. Pardon the mess. Poor dogs are just sad they can't go out and run and play. But Mr. Bear seems to be okay. He's just enjoying the rain. But man alive, look at that. And the nasty ass gray skies the entire time. Nasty, nasty, nasty. Crazy. I don't want to go out there, but you can see that we're probably about another foot, I believe, before the water starts to come up over the edge. About that. And everything is soaked. You can see everything is soaking wet. I got to make a zigzag trail to get up to the front to let the other dogs out. This is just unbelievable. So anyway, for my friends who are missing water or missing rain because your lakes have dried out or you haven't had rain in forever, trust me, it's not worth it.